What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video. This time I'm showing you my 208 Cessna Grand Caravan built out of Lego. This is a American-made light aircraft, utility aircraft, or business aircraft. These things do fly with some charter airlines. So let's get started at looking at some of the features. It does have the single turboprop engine, which of course does spin. I got that nice metallic gray or silver piece there. Got the exhaust. Nose landing gear, which I'm not entirely happy with, but still looks pretty okay. Here's a side view. So the tail, of course. There is elevators, ailerons, of course, and flaps, and it's the same on the other wing, of course. Here's a little fuel tank that the Cessna Caravan has on the right wing. So here's a top view of it, and it is to scale with minifigures. Let me just turn this thing around real quick. If you look at this side, here is the opposing side. Got a nice little American flag on the tail there. So this is a pretty cool plane. I even got the wing bend in there, which actually came out just perfect. I wanted it to be like that. You can kind of see it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. This is a pretty small interior, but it does hold a reasonable amount of minifigures for this size aircraft. So two captain's chairs. I didn't put any yoke systems in there, but that's fine. Some seats with little tables in between them. More seats, two more seats in the back, a little luggage in the back there, and a little cabinet thing to store stuff. So it does fit two minifigures side by side, which is good. This thing is 7 studs wide. So I showed you the interior. Let's go ahead and put this thing back together. Comes off in two parts, which here the main piece, and of course the front piece. Make sure that's nice and good. And let's take a look at the door to get in the aircraft, of course. In the real Caravan, there is like a cargo door, like right here. And on the other side, you do have the main door. That's what it looks like. It's kind of hard to get open. I can't even get it. You have to kind of open it from the interior, but it's still fine. Let me just give you some last final looks at it. It does look pretty good, I think. I think it came out just fine. Give you another 360 view. And this thing is a little bit tail heavy, so it does kind of tend to tip at times, but it still does stay just like that on its landing gear without tipping, so that's pretty good. back again. So this is a pretty nice aircraft. I do like the Cessna Caravan in real life. Flown it many times on FSX. It's one of my favorite aircraft to fly, actually. So that pretty much about wraps this video up for the Cessna Caravan 208. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.